was the last time you showed me that you were in love? I try to separate myself from them other girls, but you make it so hard. I try to relax, take a breath, I'm holding back instead of just leaving. Remembering love keeps me holding on with nothing. And now you're living with her, she's your best friend. So what do you want from me? Yeah. What do you want from me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What do you want from me? Yeah. What do you want from me? Yeah, yeah. You say slow it down, you make sure you're on my mind, and you'll be here by my side. Stop giving me promises that you can't make. When was the last time you showed me that I was your only? Don't try to separate yourself from the mother dudes, 'cause baby, you'll lose. I try to hold back from what I wanna do instead of just leaving. Yeah, yeah. Remembering us keeps me holding on with nothing. So what do you want from me? Yeah. It's the second damn time to change your mind. You're stuck in your ways, you don't wanna change.